Breaking developments are happening today in the electric vehicle segment of the automotive industry. Rivian and Mercedes-Benz signed agreement to produce large electric vans in Europe. They signed a strategic partnership. Some websites, like the Financial Assets, is already calling this a merger. Not even a beginning of merger talks, but merger. It's not a merger, but what I'm asking is this. Could this lead to mergers in the electric vehicle or electric versus gas vehicle producer, legacy vehicle producers companies? Like, could Tesla merge with another company, or could Tesla buy out another company? We were earlier, there have been talks last year that Tesla can potentially buy out Mercedes-Benz. But now we're seeing that Mercedes-Benz and Rivian are signing agreement. They had a release today. But before I get started, this is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Let's get started. Rivian and Mercedes-Benz have announced that they have signed a Memorandum of Understanding for a strategic partnership that would enable the production of large electric vehicles. The all-electric vans that will be produced from the joint venture are expected to be built in a factory in Europe that will start operations in a few years. As you hear me reporting this news, please let me know in the comment section, do you believe that this could herald a new era where we will see lots of new mergers, since the automotive industry's important players like Mercedes and Rivian now are going to this direction? And how will this affect Tesla? In which way? Anyway, as noted in a press release, the strategic partnership between Rivian and Mercedes-Benz would allow the companies to, quote, leverage shared investments, shared costs, and pursue operational synergies to rapidly scale electric van production, end of the quote. Did you notice a couple of important things? Shared investments, shared costs, operational synergies. All of this for one purpose: to rapidly scale electric van production. So if these things are going to lead to rapidly scaling electric van production, I won't be surprised if I see Tesla-Toyota merger one day, or Tesla with another companies, or other companies merging with one another, with startups, like we've talked about, possibly Apple buying up Canoo, or they already bought them up for an electric vehicle production. So I would like to hear your thoughts, or if you have seen something in the media. Anyway, the joint venture between Mercedes-Benz and Rivian, however, is still subject to the parties entering into final binding agreements and obtaining relevant clearances. The joint venture would leverage an existing Mercedes-Benz site in Central Eastern Europe. 2 large vans are expected to be produced from the joint venture. One that is based on Mercedes-Benz Van.E, van's electric architecture, and another that is based on the Rivian Light Van RLV platform. Further options for more synergies will be explored by the companies later on. By the way, please subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to do some research and see where is this site where Mercedes is building the vans that is going to be used by Mercedes and Rivian. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. I'll prepare another report if we see that our community is interested in this story. Since both Rivian and Mercedes-Benz are looking to rapidly ramp up and scale their respective electric van programs, they recently announced joint venture makes sense. Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe, for one, noted that the joint venture would allow both Rivian and Mercedes-Benz to produce vehicles that benefit customers and the planet as a whole. Here's what he said. Scaring said, Rivian was created to encourage the world to transition away from fossil fuel consumption by creating compelling products and services. We're delighted to be partnering with Mercedes-Benz on this project. Mercedes-Benz is one of the world's best known and respected automotive companies, and we believe that together we will produce truly remarkable electric vans which will not only benefit our customers but the planet, Scaringe said. Speaking of electric vans, do you think this news will prompt Tesla to speed up its efforts to build Tesla vans? Because we've talked about Tesla vans before. So what do you think about that? Let me know please in the comment section below. So that was a quote from Rivian's boss. Now what Mercedes-Benz Vans head Matthias Gaysen also shared his excitement for the joint venture with Rivian, and he said, as a pioneer in the field of locally emission-free transportation, Mercedes-Benz Vans has gained broad experience in producing and launching e-vans, electric vans, since 2010. Now we're accelerating the transformation to a fully electric product portfolio. From 2025 onwards, all vans based on our new architecture van.ea will be electric only. This means that starting 2025, Mercedes-Benz will only make electric vans, no gas vans anymore. This is a huge leap forward. Anyway, so Mercedes-Benz's boss also continues saying, I am delighted that as part of this transformation, we are now joining forces with Rivian, a highly dynamic and inspiring partner with a strong technology position. We are sharing investments and technology because we also share the same strategic ambition, accelerating the electrification of the van market with sustainable and superior products for our customers, he said. I will have the link of the full press release in the description of this video, friends. Let me know your thoughts. I think this is going to be a revolutionary change in the automotive industry. This could herald a new era where we will see mergers in order to speed up the transition to electric vehicles, because some companies may realize it's better to go with a partner, to use the resources of the partner, to share the investment, share the cost in order to speed up the electric vehicle production, rather than going alone, which they may not have two things: enough resources, and second, enough technology expertise. Because when cars come to electrification, you guys need to have a technology expertise. Several months ago, I've reported that Mercedes has invested heavily in technology in its cars. Recently, I test drove and reviewed the Mercedes EQS sedan, and I was totally surprised how great the technology was there. In fact, the screen started from the left window and crossed and reached over the right window of the passenger side. Huge screen, all screen in front of you. And now the Mercedes praises the technology of Rivian, saying we like the technology, we want to use this technology, and thus speed up our effort to build electric cars. So let me know, friends, what do you think of all these developments? Where does Tesla come in this? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll look forward to see. Do you think in the near future we will hear maybe mergers or partnerships with Tesla? Who would that be? Toyota? Mercedes maybe? Hyundai? General Motors? Toyota is the least possible candidate, but Toyota has worked with Tesla before. Anyway, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. If you know Mercedes' location where they produce the electric vans, let me know, friends, in the comment section. I'll try to make another report if our community shows interest in this report. And please like this video if you found the information and analysis interesting. God bless you. I'll see you soon in our next report.